guys, so finally, I'm filming this actually same day as Monday's video, which was the caffeine and octane and the unboxing of the adapter harnesses for the custom headlight build. So these are 9007 male, H4 female. These were originally meant for Hummer H2, but we're going to make these work with my truck. And of course, the final piece we needed were the bulbs, and they finally showed up. These are supposed to be delivered at 4 p.m., and I was going to be doing a lot with this video, going out and test fitting everything and make sure everything works. But it's pitch black dark out because it's 7 now, and these literally just showed up about 10 minutes ago. So we're going to crack these open and get a look at what we've got in here, because these bulbs are actually kind of nice-ish. They weren't terribly expensive. I didn't get cheapo bulbs, but also didn't get really, really expensive bulbs either. I was going to get Op 7, but it turns out they don't make headlight bulbs anymore. So let's pop that up there. So we've got H4, HV2 4-sided LEDs. So that was kind of what I wanted to do. I wanted to do LEDs. Michael pretty much said I should have done HIDs, but oops, we're doing LEDs instead. So now I'm just going to find a way to pop this packaging out. I don't know any sort of details on lumens or anything on these lights. They're advertised 12,000 lumens, and I'm pretty sure 12,000 lumens is extremely overstated. Because we were talking about the other day, joking around about how these headlight manufacturers tend to love, talking about their lumens being in the tens of thousands, which would mean it would be, very similar to the brightness of the sun. So, at least I don't know the actual lumens of the sun, but that's just as loud, that's for sure. Okay, so we got that, which can then remove all this tape as well. Okay. Oh, that hurt my ear really bad, actually. Mildly uncomfortable. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and throw this last bit off. Ugh, man, why is it so dang tight? But anyway, we're gonna go and pop this open here. Alright, so now we're just gonna finesse this out. So this is from this brand. Forget the name of it off the top of my head. It's just a generic box. So we're going to slide this up here. And there they are. So like I said, these are H4 4-sided LED headlight bulbs. So the reason I chose these is because it has the 4-side diode, which I thought was a really nice feature. It'll help out with brightness quite a bit, which is one thing I really wanted, was really bright headlight bulbs. So we're going to test this with our harness. I can't go outside and test the bulb or anything right now because, like I said, it's actually rather dark, which would actually be a really good test. We might do this anyway. If I can get enough light to get under the hood of the truck, because that's the dilemma. It's very dark in there right now. So it's got its own little plug here, so this should be more than enough to extend down to this. Let's see if we can go ahead and plug this in here. Oh goodness, I don't like that. Okay, so then I have a 9007 plug, so this should be plenty long now to go ahead and just plug into the truck itself. So we got our H4 here. So pretty much, it was too dark to do anything with the truck, so I tried, and it didn't go very well, so we're back inside. So I've got one of my projector lenses with me, which has now just gotten stuck to the tape that was holding together the box. So we're going to use this to try and check out how the fitment is on that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. We should have some adapter rings in here. One of these should be for our H4 bulbs here. Somewhere in here, somewhere in this packaging. So I think it actually might be in the main box. So I did drop something in this box. Maybe. Thought I did. This is a fresh box. There's 2 sets of these. I guess I did toss them in the other box. So, I'll bring this one in here. So I don't know exactly how these adapter rings work, so we're just going to find out. Okay. I honestly don't know how to assemble this at all, so bear with me here. So I try to figure this all out. Yeah, I legit have no clue what I'm doing. But this is our projector here, so we're going to try... Gosh, dude, this is a mess. Okay. So yeah, that's definitely not fitting in there. So I'm guessing part of this is you have to take this apart. And I don't know how to do that either, so we're going to just pass on this as well. But anyway, these are the new bulbs. So these are H4 quad-sided little bulbs here. So these were about $30. Quite decent quality. Like I said, I have no way to test these right now because of the fact that it's dark out and I don't feel like tearing the truck apart at night and having to re-aim everything and just be a big hassle. So we're gonna eventually, like I said, do a full build series on these lights and stuff like that for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this, and we're gonna go through everything that we can with it. So I'm excited for it. I know you guys are as well. So, but that was kind of just a quick little unboxing video for you guys on the FoPro. Pretty much the rest of this week will be with whatchamacallit. I'm trying to think. My brain, I'm tired, so my brain is like very, very frozen up right now. A push button start review. One of you guys wanted to see that in particular this week, so we're gonna do that as well, just to have that. But this is pretty much our completed harness, which is finally done. So pretty much now it's all gonna come down to doing the actual job, tearing the lights apart and actually doing the job with everything. So it'd be nice to get some car parts out of my floor. But yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm going to put this back in its packaging. I'm going to put this back in its packaging. The box is really nice, actually. That's one thing I will say. The packaging on this is actually rather nice, which is actually impressive for how little I actually paid for these. Like I said, I only paid about $30 for these. Like I said, I was looking for something like Op7 or other reputable brand. I'm too tired for this. Reputable brands like Op7. So, but this is gonna do the trick just fine, hopefully. And yeah, so pretty much we have the completed lighting setup now. We have these 2.5-inch projectors with shroud. We've got our H4 LED bulbs. We've got our adapter harnesses for that. We've got our new black housing headlights. I'm still looking for the corner lights, which have the white marker instead of the amber marker. I'm having a very hard time tracking those down. So if anyone has a link to those on eBay, let me know, because everyone just tells me look for it on eBay, and I go on eBay and still can't find it. So if you guys have a link to that, let me know, because I'd really like to get those for the setup as well at a later date, because they're fairly inexpensive. So we're going to go ahead and toss this out of the way, put this this adapter harness back in its bag, and we'll be ready to close this out. So I know this video was short, but I thought you guys would like a break from the 10 to 20 minute content, like 10-20 minute videos for a while, especially because it's just a simple unboxing and a bunch of failed experiments. But like I said, we've got all the components now, so all we got to do is just tear everything down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more content coming soon on the channel. Push button start review is going up on Friday, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, everyone.